Apisit Vechachiva to deliver his keynote speech. Thank you.
Your Honorable Barry O'Keefe, Chair of the IACC Council, Ms. Huguette Labelle, Chair of Transparency International, Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great honor for me to deliver this keynote address as the host of the 14th International Anti-Corruption Conference. My sincere gratitude goes to the IACC Council for giving Thailand the opportunity to be a part of this world-renowned conference series. Let me start by saying something that you all know. Corruption is not unique to any country or region. It is a global menace that must be fought on many fronts. This vital gathering of like-minded leaders of the global community attests to our joint commitment to taking the lead in restoring the trust after the recent financial crisis and our other pressing global challenges. As many speakers before me had recognized, the success of this conference will not be judged on the words, on the speeches, or the rhetoric, but we will be judged on the hard results.